Hello, sweet crew. Welcome back to a new episode of
Bake It.
We're entering the strawberry and rhubarb season here, so what better way to celebrate summer than by whipping up a strawberry rhubarb crisp?
With a little twist.
Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the fruits layer, you'll need rhubarb, strawberries, sugar, lemon, cardamom. Slice the strawberries equally. Do the same with the rhubarb. In a bowl, combine the rhubarb, the strawberries, the lemon juice, the sugar, and the cardamom. Amalgamate until all the fruits are coated with the sugary mix. Place the sugared fruits in your deep dish or a casserole dish. Create an even layer and set aside. It's now time for the crumble. You'll need flour, brown sugar, old-fashioned oats, puffed quinoa, graham cookie crumbs, butter. In a bowl, add the dry ingredients and pour the butter. Combine with a spatula or a fork until you have a crumbly texture. Cover the sugared fruits with the crumble and create an even layer. Bake in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until the crumble turns a beautiful golden brown. Let it cool 1 to 2 hours before serving. You can enjoy this with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or surrounded by irises.
Like me!
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, go click that like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel. What recipe would you like to see in a
Bake it!
episode?